Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my kits that I plan to use for October 2025. So for October, there are 5 weeks that are predominantly in the month. We do get part of September and a little bit of November at the end. That's just kind of how it works out. So the first of those weeks is September 29th through October 5th. And in October, I like to use kind of like spoopy-esque vibes for the most part, as well as just kind of enjoying those kind of more wintry kinds of vibes, or at least fall vibes. So the first week I'm using this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Celestial. I feel like especially if I pull some of these more like kind of tarot and astrology themed full boxes, it's going to really fit in with the season. So this is the full box page. This is a deluxe kit on matte vinyl. Here is the bottom washi. I love these colors, definitely unusual for this time of year, but I really enjoy them. Glittery boxes, functional things, full box checklist. There's 2 different formats of the deluxe kits. So this one has 4 more full boxes here and some functionals here. And then we get glitter headers and some functional stuff. And then we get these washi strips and these other headers here. So this is not my preferred format of these deluxe kits, but it still definitely has enough for the first time I'm using this kit. And then I can usually make it work for a second time still as well. The second week is October 6th through the 12th. And for that week, part of the time we're going to actually be traveling in Italy. So I thought that it would be really fun to use a kit that has at least some Italian vibes. I don't have a kit that's specifically Italy, and I decided to not look for one because I do kind of want to pull things out of my stash whenever possible. So I did pull out this B&R Paper Crafts kit called Royal, because I think especially if I pull certain of the boxes, it will very much give that kind of like old-timey historical vibe. And so these are the full boxes, another deluxe matte vinyl kit. Bottom washi, very muted colors, definitely very fall. Glittery boxes, not glittery boxes, functional things. This is my preferred format, so you get 4 full boxes and icons here, more functional stuff, and then you get glitter boxes and 4 more full boxes here. So this one is one that I can easily use twice, so I'll have plenty left over to use it again next year. For the third week, it's October 13th through the 19th, and for that week, I have another B&R Paper Crafts kit. Really trying to use my stash, and she sent me a lot at one point. So this one is the second time I'm using this kit. This is just on regular sticker paper. Still a deluxe kit. It's a little different paper, but I think it's going to be totally fine for using still. This is the B&R Paper Crafts Pirates of the Caribbean kit. So I have these 5 full boxes here. I have this half-size box and some tiny boxes there. Functional things. Sorry if you can hear my cat screaming in the background. More functional stuff, some glitter headers, little things, stuff like that. A bunch of washi strips, which sometimes I'll just cut all the way down the side and then it's almost full box sized. And then some functional boxes there. All right, getting there. This one's a long one. The fourth week is October 20th through the 26th. I really wanted to start getting into the Halloween vibes. This is my last B&R Paper Crafts kit for this month that I'm going to be using, pulling things out of my stash. And that's the Addams Family kit. So obviously lots of black and gray and very much gives the kind of spoopy vibe. So I thought it would be perfect to use as we get close to Halloween. So another deluxe kit on matte vinyl. This is full boxes. Here is the bottom washi. These are the colors of the kit, which will add a little bit more colorfulness. Glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes. These pages want to stick together. Functional things. Icons, 4 more full boxes, more functional stuff, and then 4 more full boxes and glitter headers. So definitely I think I can pull in especially the most spooky of the boxes, and it's going to be perfect. And then finally we have October 27th through November 2nd. This obviously includes Halloween, so I wanted an actual Halloween kit. So I pulled this one from Lovely Planner blog. It's called Cute Ghosts, and I just thought it was really cute and fun, and I didn't use it last year, so I wanted to get a chance to use it this year. I'm just very excited. I love how spoopy it is. I love how cute and fun it is. I really enjoyed the pink kind of getting mixed in with more traditional Halloween colors. And I'm really excited to pull a few things in from my stash to kind of go along with this. So definitely going to be a lot of fun. This is my first year in a while that all of October is not Halloween kits. So I am excited to kind of have some more of the variety to go along with that as well. So this is my plans for October 2025 in my planner. I'm going to be using these kits, so you'll be able to see them in the upcoming weeks. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. And then you'll also get to see when I post things. I am going to be doing Plan With Me's with all of these kits, so you can definitely check those out on my channel. And then also follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads. I tag the shops on Instagram. I include them in addition to a description in my alt text on Blue Sky. I also show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.